everybody. Hope you all doing alright this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're not already, hit the subscribe button. We'd like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com. DonkeyStomper.com. Big shout out to YouTube channel, Patreon channel members. Alright guys, we got Texas Star 350. This thing was in rough shape. Power wires were cut out of it and had some ingenuity, had parts missing, had 2 blown transistors in it. I went through and changed the 10 ohms bias resistors, put a output tuning capacitor on the transformer, fixed the feedbacks, put new HGs in it. It's like a brand new amp. This is a really nice amp now. Everything works on 100%. Started looking straight through SWR. Hello worldwide, 0. Turn it on. We'll just look at it wide open. Preamp works. Wide open. Hello worldwide. Input SWR over on your right. 1, 2, 3. Wide. 372 and some change. Let's see. Variable. I didn't check the variable. Hello worldwide. Variable works. Let's turn it down. 1, 2. Yeah, it all working good. Worldwide. Get on down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Preamp. Really nice amp. Over here on the Bird. PP 1, 2, 3, 4 by 300 feet. Get on down. Go over and hook up our outdoor dummy load. I'll get the cover back on this thing when I get done with it. Outdoor dummy load, LP100. Here's your preamp. Here, come up. I mean, the meter works. Everything works just like it's supposed to. There's your LP100. 1, 2, 3, 4. Worldwide. That's what the variable is, so you put it on high power. High power worldwide does a little bit more on the outdoor dummy load. 2HG2879s, Texas Star 350, and getting on down. Make somebody a good little driver. There she is, guys, a little Texas Star 350. Like new repair review. New power wire. That's a good box. It's pretty. Alright, guys. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I'd like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. We'll have some kind of giveaway by the end of this month, 28th, 29th or something. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com. We appreciate all the business support from all of our customers, followers, and all that good stuff. Big shout out to YouTube channel, Patreon channel members. Appreciate you. You guys take care. Your friend in 10, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper Products. Catch you later. Bye-bye.